As of November 2020, the coronavirus has continued to spread and impact the lives of citizens across the country.
I actually am a pharmacy technician at a hospital, so I actually see the frontline workers saving lives. I actually deliver one of the main drugs that is a study drug that may in the future help these people from dying. So that's kind of kept me kind of grounded and strong, for my family.
Locals of Monmouth County, New Jersey are still struggling to conform to the long-lasting changes and effects.
I think it's affected my family the most, especially with my kids. We have little kids that unfortunately can't go to school. They're remote learning, they're not getting the socialization that they deserve, and it's really difficult for them. For me, work-wise, it's difficult too because I am required to go to work. So through COVID, it was very stressing to go into an atmosphere where other people were there and making sure that things were clean, surfaces were cleaned, people were wearing their masks.
When the pandemic started, we all had to wear a mask at work. We had to start reusing some masks because we were getting low on the N95s.
In light of these tough times, people are adapting to the changes and are now following strict guidelines such as social distancing, outdoor dining, and wearing facial coverings to protect them from potential infection.
It's scary how we haven't been able to get it under control yet. It is dangerous in that respect where we haven't been able to get it under control yet, where we don't know what's going to happen, if there's going to be a vaccine, if the vaccine is even going to be able to counterbalance all of the cases. So it is very scary and very dangerous at the same time.
Those simple everyday chores that we do, going food shopping and stuff, is just like a task, totally different now. And hopefully it's not like this for years to come.
It has been 1 year since the start of the outbreak, and despite humanity's efforts to slow down the spread, the future of a COVID-19 free world is still uncertain.
Every 100 years we have a pandemic. We had pandemics before and all that. I just think this is just natural nature.
Today is May 18th, 2020. We are still in the coronavirus pandemic, and with that being said, we are actually able to walk in the middle of a busy highway. And this is what it feels like to be in an apocalypse. There's absolutely no one. And it's only 11 o'clock at night. And I think this is truly amazing and eerie at the same time.